Welcome to On the Beat. Isaac hosting again this week. I have Patrick Wooten with me from SCHWARTZ and Associates. Back again this week, this time to talk about personal injury misconceptions. Patrick, thanks for being with us.
Absolutely. Great to see you, Isaac.
All right, so we got a list of misconceptions. Maybe you'll just kind of expand upon. I may reference this as PI. It's not pass interference. Personal injury misconceptions. The first one, people with insurance don't need a PI attorney or personal injury attorney.
Exactly. People think, I've got insurance, they're going to take care of me. They do wonderful commercials on TV, so they think that they're going to treat them that way. And it's not. It's a business. They're a money-making business. So, no, you've paid your insurance for a situation like this, but you need an expert. If your car's hurt, you take it to the body shop. You're injured, you go to the doctor. That's why you hire a PI law firm like SCHWARTZ and Associates to help you work through the legal minefield.
So obviously, it kind of goes without saying, I'm sure, major injuries almost always, I'm sure, qualify. But what about the minor ones?
Minor qualify as much as major. I mean, I've been at the firm for 23 years. Firm's been around for more than 42. We've had very minor injuries, which is great. We hope everyone, if they're in a wreck, it has a minor injury.
What would be a quick example of a very minor injury?
Literally, you just go get checked out. You know, it's like you're a little sore, you go get checked out, and the doctor says, take a hot bath, take some Advil, you're going to be fine. That's a minor injury. But you're still entitled to compensation under the law because you did sustain an injury from the accident.
Sure. Okay, well, that's an interesting thing because I think, a lot of people think that you got to, get whiplash or get a concussion in order to be sort of qualified. But just a simple doctor visit could qualify.
Absolutely.
All right, so not with the personal injury claims taking forever. Last time we talked about cases maybe taking years and years.
That's right.
So what about this time?
This one can vary. We just settled a case for a guy who broke his leg in a wreck. It was resolved in 11 months.
Wow.
Typical time is going to be somewhere probably between 11 to 13 because a lot of it's tied into how long you treat. If you treat for 6 months, we've got to let you finish treating to collect all those bills and records, and then there's a process under the law in Mississippi how to obtain those. If you treat for a month, it's certainly going to go quicker than if you treated for 6 months or 12 months, but generally a year.
So those minor injuries that you hope all are, obviously, I guess, would proceed faster typically.
Absolutely.
All right, that's good to know. So the next one misconception is that the insurance company will not offer more than what they said they were going to offer.
Yeah, it's like anything. They're going to make a first offer because why do they do that? Because sometimes people take the first offer.
Sure.
It's like, why is there a sticker on a car? Some people pay sticker price.
Yeah.
But no, absolutely. We are, so experienced in negotiating with the insurance company.
Sure.
And it's, for example, one I settled for $900,000. Their first offer was $600,000. And so we worked it up over more than a month of negotiating. So absolutely, we have the experience and the skills to be able to get past that first offer 99 times out of 100.
All right. And then the last question here is that the misconception is that insurance company wants to be, quote, fair.
They want to make money. I mean, insurance companies are in the business of making money. That's how they're able to run all the commercials, have wonderful claim centers, and generally the people who work for them are wonderful people, but they are a money-making business. So just giving out money freely does not help their bottom line.
Sure.
So they are going to treat it as a business, and they guard that money, very closely. So that's why it takes a law firm to be able to fight on your behalf.
Pretty much. Thank you so much, Patrick. We sure appreciate your time this morning. If you have any additional questions or need any additional information, you can find it there with the information on your screen. We'll be right back.